Hi, everyone. I'm Angela Tuller, host of the multi-award-winning Recycling Kids game show, and I'm so excited because I'm about to announce 6 Recycling Kids Green Hero Award winners. Today's winners are being recognized for supporting recycling education for the kids in the community they serve. And now it's time for the big announcement. Today's winners are Culver Palms Animal Hospital, Chase Bank, Interiors Made Easy, Cafe Laurent, Green Dental and Orthodontics, and Dylan Keith Salon. Congratulations, everyone! And please show your support for our Green Hero Award winners. They're all giving back to the children in your community, so please support them too. And be sure to check out our new episodes of the fun and exciting 1-Minute Recycling Kids Game Show at www.recyclingkidsgameshow.com, okay? See you next time!